This is where a simple hoodie begins its journey.
Every hoodie starts with careful selected raw materials.
When selecting the perfect cotton, texture and weave are everything. We source only the finest long staple fibers for superior softness and durability.
Quality control begins even before production starts.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
This level of mechanical precision guarantees identical cuts every time, crucial for scalable production.
The cut fabric pieces are then sorted into organized stacks by the production team, a critical step that maintains efficiency across the factory floor.
Observe the precise dance between the thread and the textile, a slow ballet of creation.
Here, skilled hands and advanced machinery work in perfect harmony, transforming raw materials into high fashion.
Next, we attach the sleeves using a high-speed straight stitch for efficiency.
Piece by piece, the hoodie takes shape.
The careful hand meets the rapid needle, uniting the fabric in a seamless flow. It's where comfort and durability begin.
Step 13. Gently guide the bodkin and the drawstring through the channel until it emerges on the other side.
This is where the process begins. A blend of precision machinery and dedicated craftsmanship brings every garment to life.
Welcome to the future of logistics, where efficiency meets scale and your order is always moving forward. The squeegee forces the bright white ink through the mesh. Once complete, the screen lifts, revealing a crisp number 17 on the black hoodie. The key to a perfect print is the smooth pull of the squeegee, leaving a crisp, vibrant logo every time.
After dyeing, the hoodies are moved to our specialized cooling racks. This ensures the fabric retains its softness and vibrant color.
As you can see, the white stitching on this navy textile is precise. We use the calipers to confirm the density before logging the pass.
So you gently pull the thread taut, then with a precise cut, snip it right at the base. This ensures a clean finish on the velvet.
24. 25 hoodies, fresh and clean, tumbling dry in this heavy duty machine.
With our industrial steam press, we ensure every garment is perfectly crisp and wrinkle-free.
Meticulously crafted from ultra-soft cotton, this hoodie represents the perfect blend of comfort and enduring style.
The key to efficiency is the synchronization of movement. By maintaining a smooth, rhythmic pace, we ensure every piece meets our high standards.
Once folded, the hoodie is inserted into the plastic wrap. The final step is sealing the package tightly before it moves to the conveyor belt.
To assemble the box, simply fold the sides inward, crease sharply, and secure the bottom flaps until they lock into place.
Here we see the counterbalance forklift in action, lifting the palletized goods securely before moving them down the main aisle.
They said it couldn't be done. But I've got a schedule to keep.
This is how a hoodie is made, with precision, passion, and people.